Welcome back to my final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday the 11th of February. Looking at this gold chart, which has just dropped off a little bit in the last 24 hours. It's interesting that this little rally that we saw, or renewed upside we saw on gold, is just sort of started to slow, didn't it, back end of last week. Marginal positive candle yesterday and just rolling over again, and lo and behold it's becoming around this 23.6% fib level. So there is a basis that the market is looking out for, and I said on the morning report that this setup that we have here of just still sort of falling over momentum is a concern of mine for the bulls to be pushing on. RSI sort of faltering under 60, having 60 been previously supportive, arguably supportive, on the RSI, now faltering underneath that. You can see that trend lower. You can see that MACD lines are still falling over. You can see the stochastics faltering as well. So this little rally that we've seen in the last few sessions just sort of, I think, effectively just plays out within a range, really, you could argue. I mean, I haven't put the resistance in, but obviously the rally high of 1591, I suppose, now caps that range effectively. But the fact that the market faltered at the 23.6% fib level, just rolled over a touch today, and again with the momentum indicators, just leads me a little bit as though this is turning into a range play. You can see that on the hourly chart as well. RSI on the hourly oscillating pretty much between 30 and 70 now. MACD lines never really got going. I said that about that yesterday. Never really got going in a move into strength. It just sort of started to falter a little bit and just turning into a ranging move, really. 1576 initial resistance. 1562 will be an interesting support to watch, because that is now a pivot line as well. Of old support became resistance and is now supportive. So I move back underneath that, and you start to look at the bottom of the recent move to the downside, which was 1547. So it's an interesting moment, I think, for gold, because it doesn't look as though the gold bulls have got that impetus in them to continue to push on. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.